Lubiju was set up about 8 months ago, at the beginning of this year, really to provide specialist services for our existing general practice. We wanted to bring together some of the leading dentists and practitioners in their field to provide a top range of specialist services. But over and above that, we wanted to make sure that there was a holistic element to the practice as well, bringing together practitioners from homeopathy, from hypnotherapy, to provide a range of services that would assist the existing specialists here. Over and above that, we wanted to be able to build a practice that focused on patient experience, everything from the first point of contact right to when the patients have left. We wanted an environment that can be so carefully controlled and offer a service that's pretty much second to none.
I'm Dr. John Cuccio, and I first became interested in dental implants in the early 70s when I did recognise that there was great potential for the use of implants in dentistry. Having been in practice in Harley Street and Wimpole Street for 27 years, I decided to move forward to Edinburgh to enjoy a pace and quality of life which only Edinburgh can offer. Biju and Lubino are very positive and proactive partners, and unlike many dentists, they can actually see the potential and they see the big picture of things, and this obviously made the opportunity of the implant centre here very, very exciting.
Although I'm an experienced dentist, I'm also very aware of the technological aspects. I love technology and I try to incorporate it into this practice as much as possible. We designed a state-of-the-art local decontamination unit that has doors which are never touched by human hands. They work on the basis of a beam that opens and closes the doors. Now this eliminates any potential source of infection. It's little things like this that make a huge difference to the hygiene of a practice.
The setup, I think, is very nice because it's a very kind of calming atmosphere when you first come in, and of course they have all the latest high-tech equipment. You just feel that you're being really well looked after, giving the best possible treatment with the best facilities and the most up-to-date equipment. And no, I think it's really excellent, yeah. And I have on numerous occasions recommended it to other people.
A lot of patients who came to us not only came to us because they wanted the external beauty dealt with, but it was really dealing with something deeper, and they wanted a much more greater understanding of what it is that made them feel good and help with that. And as such, we've managed to get together a really internationally acclaimed team of holistic therapists. Deborah Ramsey, who runs our holistic centre, specialises in very advanced massage. It's a very deep therapeutic treatments which deals with really the mind and the spirit and leaves people with an immense sense of well-being and relaxation, which really helps with the treatment that we do. We've travelled extensively around the world and we have seen exactly where dentists are going, and we've really struggled to find that north of London, really. And I really wanted to bring to Scotland some of the expertise and some of the technology that is available elsewhere in the world. I don't think there's one practice in Scotland providing the sort of the depth of treatments that we can provide, the range of treatments combined with the holistic services.